We are in Sardinia. It is our first time in Sardinia. It's like 33 in the forecast every day. I didn't want to go to any beaches that involved hiking, like 30 minutes up a mountain. That wouldn't be too fun. So we opted for beaches that had driving access, which then of course means more people. Today we went to a few beaches in San Teodoro area. Then we decided to drive 15 minutes north to Spiaggi delle Vacche. And we did want to do like a traditional Sardinian dinner. I messaged our Airbnb host and apparently there's a very good traditional Sardinian barbecue, a 2-minute walk up the mountain from our Airbnb called Tanca e Gaia. So we're going to be going there for dinner. It's a €45 per person pre-set menu. I can highly recommend doing last night's dinner. We had so much food, I couldn't even eat it all. We got 5 to 6 appetizers, 2 pasta dishes, a meat and potato dish. We got unlimited wine. We also got dessert. It lasted from 8 to 10:30 p.m. I can't believe that we only paid €45 a person. We are going on a boat tour of the east coast of Sardinia. We will catch the boat from Calagone. I can't pronounce. Spencer's laughing at me, but I literally don't know how to pronounce that. I'm learning Italian, but there's some letters that are super hard to put together, like the GN sound. I can't do it yet. We just got back from the beach. We went to about 8 different beaches and we explored some via some hiking trails. They weren't too crowded, the beaches that we went to, and most of them I would go back to. Now we are going to explore the village of San Pantaleo. We're gonna go for pizza and then we're gonna go find a place for sunset, hopefully. Now we did get recommended to go to Poltu Quatu, so we'll check it out. I don't really know if this is our vibe, but we'll see anyways. We just got back from our sunset exploration and we started in Poltu Quatu, and this was not our vibe at all. We paid for parking and I think after 2 minutes we left. It is very cute, but I don't recommend going at all, to be honest. And then we wanted to go watch sunset and I wanted to go to the free beach access that was right beside Phi Beach or Phi Beach. We're calling it Phi Beach for the purpose of this vlog. Google Maps directed us to the road where you're supposed to be able to get that free access, but then they literally suck you in to paying 10 euros for parking. And we're like, okay, maybe this checks out. The only spot that we could access sunset was literally paying club entry to get into Phi Beach. Immediately, no. Spencer actually remembered that he found like a sunset bar when he was driving to Poltu Quatu. It turns out that it was actually the win out of all 3 areas. Kudos to Spencer for spotting that one. Today we're doing a sailing boat trip tour around the La Maddalena area. So basically like 2 days ago when we did the boat trip, we arrived 45 minutes before the boat was taking off. We were almost late for the boat tour. It was so stressful trying to find parking. We went around the town 5 times over looking for parking. So today we did not want a stressful situation. So we got up early and we're gonna be at the marina before 9 a.m. Even though our boat does not depart until 10:30. The town that the boat departs from is called Paulu. It's about a 30-minute drive north from San Pantaleo. We just got back from our sailboat tour. The area we went to was right underneath the French island and right above the big Sardinian island. There were so many mountains that you could just view from a 360 standpoint. The water was so warm. Oh my god, I got stung by a wasp. We were literally like an hour from shore. Literally had a panic attack that I was going to die. It's our last day in Sardinia. We have some rain this morning. We're going to check out Porto Cervo. I'm definitely also not pronouncing that right. I need to brush up on my village pronunciation skills. So we just got back from Porto Cervo and it's honestly not our vibe, but to be honest, I knew that going into it. We just had to check it out because we're only a 10-minute drive, so why not? I do understand why people have such mixed reviews on Sardinia because there are very posh parts and then very low-key parts. I think it just depends on what your vibe is, but I do think Sardinia can be a place for everybody. I personally don't vibe with the posh areas, so coming back to Sardinia, I would not bother even going to those places. It stopped raining, so we're gonna head to the beaches in Porto Rotondo. Also, you know you're on vacation when you have like the extra large water bottle as your support system. We explored Porto Rotondo. It is very cute, but it's also very expensive. We decided to come back to San Pantaleo for dinner and go to our OG pizza restaurant. So Sardinia, you definitely need a car and definitely do lots of research before you come and figure out what your vibe is. Definitely take antihistamines on a boat with you when you go, just in case there's a little bit of an allergic reaction. And definitely always have cortisol cream.